servitors of thy ministries in lesser degree, do thou thyself now endue also with thy grace our brother and my son, the priest, Reverend Father Ardam Bartimeus, and adorn him with thine integrity, that he may stand at the head of the priests of thy people, being a good example to those who are under him. Grant him to attain in goodness unto old age with devotion and propriety, and have mercy upon us all, in that thou art good. For thou art the bestower of wisdom, and all creation hymneth thee unto ages of ages. Amen. Axios! 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 Worthy is he, worthy is he, worthy is he.